Practice Tests Explained, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an important tool for improving your English skills, practice tests. These tests are not just assessments, but a vital part of learning. Stay tuned as we explore why they're so beneficial. Practice tests are simulated exams that mirror the format, style, and content of actual tests. They are designed to help learners prepare for real exams by giving them a taste of what to expect. Think of them as a rehearsal for the main event. Enhancing test readiness. Practice tests boost your confidence and familiarity with exam formats. Identifying strengths and weaknesses. They help you understand what areas you're strong in and where you need more work. Time management skills. Timed practice tests teach you how to manage your time effectively during an actual exam. Regular practice. Incorporate practice tests into your regular study routine. Review answers. Always review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand your mistakes. Simulate exam conditions. Try to take these tests in a quiet, exam-like environment to get used to the pressure. Look for tests that are closely aligned with your learning goals. If you're preparing for IELTS or TOEFL, find practice tests specifically designed for these exams. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of practice tests in mastering English. Remember, practice doesn't just make perfect. It makes permanent. Keep practicing, and you'll see remarkable improvements in your English skills. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your language learning journey.